Hello friends, this is Dory Hareska with Forever Quilting. Today we are going to look at a new quilt pattern by Dawn of Sew Cherished. This quilt is filled with beautiful wool applique and simple piecing. Each block gave me the opportunity to quilt different designs, either on the piece blocks or around the applique. For the piece squares, I chose to quilt some double brackets alternating with a flower. This technique of continuous designs can be found in my book, Making Connections. For this quilt, I chose wool batting and sew fine thread number 512, which blended beautifully with all the fabric colors. Be sure to watch part 2 for more machine quilting inspiration. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel on YouTube so you don't miss the next video coming out soon.